Welcome back, everybody. 7 Minutes for Seniors. I am Chris. This is Emily Hicks. This is our fifth segment, final segment. We've talked about a lot of things. So I like to preface this segment. This is really, I really like to think about the future. So usually I'll go to bed thinking about tomorrow instead of today. Actually went to bed last night thinking about today. So there you go. So that's what these questions are more about. First of all, who would you want to meet personally and or professionally?
Oh gosh.
And this question has evolved too, because people are like, "Can I bring back Jesus?" I'm like, "Sure, whatever." Right? It's your
Like
your
anyone
answer.
from the past.
Alive, dead,
Oh
you can make
gosh.
somebody up if you want to.
Well, it's hard not to say like a family member that I never got a chance to meet, but you know, personally, gosh, I'll have to just stick with someone alive. Um, I would have to say Rafael Nadal.
Do you speak Spanish?
Not very well.
I don't think he speaks English
He
very well,
speaks
does he?
I think he like broken English,
Right.
He's Catalan, so they have that, I think, have even like a
Oh, okay.
harder kind of
Yeah,
time because of
yeah.
the accent and all that. But yeah, I would have to say no. I think because we were just talking about tennis.
Is it? It's just because of tennis?
Probably because of tennis. But gosh, there's so many people. That's a really hard question for me. I'm such a history lover,
Right.
so I could just think of so many people.
Throw one out there.
Well, I would love to speak to someone like the first Queen Elizabeth.
Okay.
And talk to like how in the world she managed to take over from the chaos of her father's. Her, for those of you who don't care about history, her dad was Henry VIII, who killed all of his, killed the wives.
Oh,
and
yeah.
and then she ended up very unlikely, getting into this position and as a woman, and it was just kind of crazy. So someone like that, I think, would be a fascinating figure from history to speak to. But yeah, so gosh, there's so many people.
Nobody is ever going to say Queen Elizabeth the First when I ask that question.
I know it says Jesus.
Right. Yeah. No, that was a great answer. That was a great answer.
I don't
like
know.
That.
I think about people that are,
yeah,
or anyone that I'm in this little family history project right now that I'm doing for my family. So one of the people that I would love to speak to is the original ancestor we have that came over from Scotland. So but I don't know who that is yet. So we're trying to find out.
Yeah.
But so there's always like family things that you can think of. But but yeah, certainly
going back through
Nadal and Queen Elizabeth.
yeah. A British person and a Spanish person, right? That's awesome. But if I go back through my mental tally, actually Jesus and Elon Musk are in a neck and neck tie. No lie. I get just as many Elons as I do Jesuses.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I don't like to be obvious.
Right. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Well, in 5 years, I do actually have a plan for the firm and everything. So professionally, we're growing. We're actually hopefully bringing on another attorney quite soon. And expanding some of our services here. So that's where I'm really looking to. We might rebrand out of Emily Hicks into something more generic. I'm not really sure. I haven't really landed on anything yet because it's kind of hard to do that. But we may go through a rebranding. We may bring on some other people to help do some more elder law. I'd like to expand that aspect of the practice too, so that there's just more support for clients and things like that. So yeah, I have a plan basically to continue to grow here, and whether or not we grow out of this office, I don't know. We have a good amount of room now, so we should be good for a while. But yeah, so just continue to do what we're doing. We're adding a lot of pretty significant real estate portion on pretty soon.
Oh wow!
So yeah, so it'll be good. And then obviously, personally, I'm here.
Right.
The kids are here. Everybody's in school and stuff like that.
Everybody's still going to be.
Hopefully, everybody's still healthy and happy. And
so you're young. Normally, I ask 5 and 10 years. So I'm gonna extend it a little bit.
Thank you for saying that.
So where are you in 20 years?
Ooh, in 20 years. Well,
The kids are out of school.
I'll be 65 in 20 years. So I'll probably still.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
I didn't realize you were the same, like almost the same age as me.
Yeah, I'm 45 now.
Wow.
I know.
I need to do something better with my beauty routine.
That's not true. I'm puffy today because I didn't sleep last night. So yeah, in 20 years, gosh, it's so hard to say. We'll probably, I mean, I'll probably be working maybe a little bit less,
Right.
But hopefully I have the firm and everything like really, you know, um, solid and going to continue,
Yeah.
doing some good work. And then I really, have this idea of, traveling to wherever my kids are and like,
Right.
hopefully at least one or two of them will be here, but
Right.
there's always that one that's going to go, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it was me too.
Yeah.
So
there's always that one that goes.
yeah, it's me. So, just spending as much time with them as I can.
Yeah.
Family's like, are really, really important to me. So we want to just continue to be as close to them as we possibly can, and
absolutely,
hopefully be. I don't know if I'll be I guess I could. Yeah, I probably would be a grandmother, maybe at that point.
Well, you said one's
Probably.
13,
One's 13.
so it'd be
So
33.
yeah, probably.
Realistically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hard for me to imagine, but yeah.
Yeah.
But my sister actually is going to be a grandmother in like a month.
So you're going to be an aunt.
So, yeah, I'll be a great aunt.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Great
aunt.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of funny. So, yeah.
Okay.
I'm hoping to just travel.
Yeah.
I mean, traveling is always a really big thing for me.
They say travel abroad when you're young, travel the United States when you get older, right?
And I did do that. I did travel abroad a lot when I was in school. Yeah. So any chance I got, I was going somewhere. Yeah.
Well, I really appreciate you being on the program. At the end, we'll have all your information rolling on the credits and everything like that. So this has been 7 Minutes for Seniors. I'm Chris. This is Emily Hicks. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all be safe and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.